Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Viki. We go to settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Viki and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update your apps. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.